I found 5 products that are exploding right now on Etsy, and they are making sellers thousands of dollars. So I'm not gonna waste any of your time, and we're just gonna jump into this right now. Now, the first one here is this cute little makeup bag, all right? As you notice, it's got some stripes, and they're actually using yarn to spell out the person's name. And as you go through this, you have a couple different options. So you can actually mix and match the colors. So the color of the actual bag as well as the yarn. And going through it, they have, light blue, navy, purple, all these different ones. That's not really what matters too much. What matters is how much money they're making. So as soon as I go here, right, looking at EverBee, they have sold 5,900 of these in the past month. Yes, 5,900 of them in just 1 month alone. Now, of course, yes, this was Mother's Day, so no wonder why it exploded. However, you still have other holidays coming, plus birthdays. So seeing how explosive this was, especially on just one holiday, this is definitely going to be a winner, especially for the rest of 2026. Now, this is a homemade product. This isn't print on demand. So to do something like this, you would just need to look for a wholesale one. And I already did the job for you here, okay? So I found this one right here from Everfull, and they go for about $1.89 each. I found another one here from Yiwang. I think that's how you pronounce that. They're about $2.50 each. And then I found another one again from Everfull that was about $1.50. Now, you can even find these on Amazon if you're willing to spend a little bit more money and get them faster. Right here, $25, you get about 12 of them. And then you can see the quality, and if you don't like it, you can always ship it back. Now, once you have one of these bags, which, the bags are just typical canvas, that's all they are, you then need just yarn. Right here, $5 of yarn gets you 83 yards. So pretty much just starting this, venture right here, all you need is just a couple $100, some good pictures, like they're doing here, which is pretty much AI, and then throw it online. Now, obviously, you want to make sure your SEO is on point, and you also want to make sure that you're targeting the right audience. So if you're curious on how to do that, just check out my other videos. And you might be wondering right here at this $9.51 price tag, well, can I even make some money? Again, this is a homemade product. So when you're getting the bag for $1.50 and 83 yarn for $5, you're only spending about $2 on the material. And then about $4 shipping, you're looking at $5, and they're charging $9.51 and then another $4.80 for shipping. So yes, they are making a killing. Now we're gonna jump into the second one, which would be print on demand, because I know a lot of you don't wanna sit there and actually hand make these things. Now, of course, I come from a background of having physical products, and I'll tell you what, you do have a lot of margins, but even with this next one, with it being print on demand, I can still get you some money in the bank. And the next one here is sun catchers. Now, if you look at this, again, this is a birth flower sun catcher, 2 months old. They sold 2,555 of them, 2,500 of them. And again, yes, it was Mother's Day, but anything that sells for Mother's Day, 1, sells for their birthdays as well, and then 2, always sells during Christmas time. It's a roller coaster effect every time that you hit this, whether it's for Mother's Day, Father's Day, New Year's, so on and so forth, Christmas, all these things. They all interline together. So it'll go down and then it's gonna go back up. So all these products right now that are exploding, if you start creating these now and start putting them in your shop, you will be prepped and prepared, especially going into the holiday season. Now for this sort of product, as you can see, an 8-inch right here is going for $32. So like I said, I can make you some money even with print on demand. With this right here, using a company like Merchize, okay? The 8-inch right there goes for $5. Yes, and they are selling it for $33, all right? Huge margins, right? Now, if you don't like this one, which obviously this would be it, you just would make it a circle. You can make it any shape that you want. You have some different options as well. So if you didn't want the sun catcher one, you have this one, which is a hologram. You have this one, which is acrylic. And then you have this one here, which is kind of like broken glass. And last but not least, you also have a stained glass type of look. All of these options are available. And if you notice, if I come to each and every single one and I go to 8 inches, that's $5.20. This one's $4.50. This one right here is $5.20. And this one as well is only $5.50. So typically it's about $5. Now, when you're going through the math here, you come down here, you see that they are offering free shipping. So again, let's go see how much the shipping is here. We come down here, looking at the shipping costs, and you're at $5.49. And you're at $7.99. So that means your total overall cost for this product is about $13. Now $13, selling it for $33, you're making 20 bucks. Obviously you have taxes, fees, all these little things, take away about like $2 or $3, and you're netting about $17, depending on if you're running ads or not. Now, if you do the math real quick, and I'll let you do that, $17 times 2,555 in just 2 months. That is net profit, money in your pocket. Now, here's the thing. Even though I said earlier, these do go, up and down. This sort of thing, sun catchers, they sell all year round. And just to show that, right, I'm just gonna come up here and I'm gonna do custom dog sun catcher. And as soon as I type that in, look at these, right? See all these ones popping up? Look at this, 438 sales a month. 994 sales a month. Clicking on this one right here, in 8 months, they sold 6,305. So again, you don't only have to go after moms in general, you literally could do anything with this sun catcher, especially animals. And now you're no longer just hitting those dips up and down. You are hitting this throughout the entire year. Now, number 3 is coffee mugs, but not any coffee mug. It's coffee mugs with stripes on it. Stripes have been going crazy lately. It's such a huge trend. No matter what you're doing, you're putting them on bags, as you saw with that first one. You're putting them in wall art, coffee mugs, tote bags, it doesn't matter. Light colored stripes are in right now. And as you can see, in just 2 months, 1,851 sales with this coffee mug. Now, of course, in here, they're showing a 15 ounce, but they have an 11 ounce for $20, and they have the 15 ounce for $22. In addition to that, they are also charging $6 for shipping. And you can get these mugs for as little as $4 or $5, sometimes even $6. Again, another product that has huge margins that is completely destroying it. Now, you might be wondering, okay, where can I get this sort of design? Easy. Create a Fabrica. You just come here and there are a ton of stripes that you can just download and make these yourself. And if you're looking to purchase the mug, you can check out Gelato. They have a ton of different options. And I actually just did a video the other day which reviewed mugs. So then you'll know exactly which print-on-demand company to actually go with so that you can fulfill these quickly and with the best quality possible. Now for the 4th one, this is one of my favorite, okay? I made over $1 million just with napkins. Yes, over $1 million. Obviously, everybody knows the niches that I was in. And one of my favorite, if you ever hear me speak, is weddings. Weddings make a killing. Pajamas, having little groomsmen and bridesmaid things. And guess what? Napkins. You destroy it every single time. Because here's the thing. People that are throwing a wedding, they don't just have just one napkin. They need to buy hundreds. And the more that they buy, the more money you can make. Even if you go through the reviews down here, all right? You have 150, 300, 200, 150, 50, 150, 700, 200, 250. As you see, they are always trying to buy it in excess amounts because it's a wedding. And if you scroll up, going into that 250 and 300 mark right there, you're looking at $200, $223, and that one person bought 700. That is $387. Now you might be wondering, okay, where can I get these? Because most print-on-demand suppliers actually don't have the colored ones, they just have white. And this is true. You can actually make these yourself. And this is where your margins will really kick in. So you can jump over to a company like this, Custom Napkins Now, and you can buy them individually, okay? And as you see, just for a sample, they'll charge you a penny. But it's 12 cents for 200, 10 cents for 300, going all the way up to 8 cents for 25,000 of them. Now, obviously, you probably stick to maybe 500 on each one just to start going, see where people are purchasing each color, or you can just jump right into the 10,000, and that's if you want to go gung-ho, go right at it, all right? Now, say if you didn't want to purchase that heat press machine, and you might be wondering what the machine that you're talking about. It's one of these, okay? All you have to do is just purchase the letters, you throw it in there, it's just a quick little stamp with the foil, you're good to go. Now you can offer gold, you can offer silver, rose gold, or you could just do it embossed or debossed. It doesn't really matter. That's what these machines are made for. But if you don't want to go that route, you can actually use the same company right here, and they will make the custom napkins for you. Now, of course, they are a little bit more expensive, but as you can see, they do it in the same exact style as you saw in that previous listing. So this is definitely an option that you can choose going forward. Or if you want to take this, where you're making 337 sales in just 3 months, and again, do the math on how much money these are making. Typically, most of them are buying 150 to 200. So at the 150, $131 range. And if you're manually doing it, especially with using them at 10 cents a napkin, that means you only spent $15. Heat it, done, ship it out. And the max that this is going to cost you is 25 bucks. So tax, fees, all that, you're walking away with $100 each sale, 337 in 3 months. This is why I love the wedding niche. But again, that's only up to you if you want to do the manual process first, having them fulfill it, which will cut into your margins. Just keep that in mind. All right, so the last one here. This one is unique, and it's only been around for 3 months, and they have 116 sales. You might be saying, well, that's really not that much, George. But here's the thing, okay? To make something like this literally only takes 2 seconds. All it is a custom drawing using ChatGPT. And I actually went ahead and made one. So I added a picture of me and my wife, and then I added a picture of this as a reference. And then I wrote, this is a picture of me and my wife, and I want to have you create a similar to the second picture. Can you make something similar but slightly different so that it's not 100% identical? This is key because we never want to actually copy somebody's design or how they're creating things, right? But this style, which is more of like a gothic drawing art style, isn't unique at all. However, we still do want to have it in a style that we would like. So make sure that you type something like this. Now, I also had it remove all the wording, and boom, look at that picture. Within seconds, it made this for me. And now I have a commission piece that I could sell right here, as they are selling for $18.73. Now from there, all I have to do is just upscale it, and then I can provide them with multiple different sizes. Even better yet, to beat out this person, I would offer 3. 1, individual, just me. 2, individual, just her. And 3, us together. Now you're getting 3 pictures for the price of 1. And there you go. Those are 5 hot products that are exploding right now. And they are going to continue making money for the rest of 2026. So if you're still up in the air trying to figure out, okay, what am I gonna sell and how am I gonna make money? Then definitely think about one of these 5. And if you don't know where to begin, or you need a solid structure that's gonna help you make cash right away, then make sure you join my school community. I have over 50 hours of training in there to get you on the right track for success. And in the meantime, if you have any questions, please leave me a comment below. You know I love to hear from you. And thank you so much for watching. Talk to you soon.